Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. In this video, we will be learning the daily MCQs of that date's current affairs. This will be very helpful to boost your prelim score. First question. Consider the following statements regarding PM WANI. It means Prime Minister Wi-Fi Access Network Interface Scheme. And he has given three options. He is asking which statements are correct. Okay. This scheme, PM WANI, this is taken from the today's PIB, and first this scheme is recommended by the TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, in the year 2017. The key features are: the main goal of this scheme is allowing to set up the public Wi-Fi hotspots across the country through the public data offices. Okay, and this doesn't require the license or paying a fee of to PDOs. PDOs mean public data offices. Okay, this will encourage, or this will allow the entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, to earn more money. Okay, this scheme will be very helpful for them. And if you go to the questions, this will allow setting up of public Wi-Fi hotspots across the country via public data offices. This statement is true. It will not require the PDOs to get a license or pay a fee. And this is also true. The scheme is to provide free Wi-Fi to the people in rural and forest areas only. No, this is false. As we discussed that setting up of public Wi-Fi hotspots across the country, and not only in rural and forest areas, it will be across the country. So this statement is false. And the answer is only 1 and 2 are correct. So B is the answer. Okay. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding the vaccine and medicine. And in these days, vaccine is the term that is most used term, and it is the Oxford English Dictionary word of the year. So we should know what is vaccine and also how it differs from the medicine. So here he has given two options and asking the correct statement. Be careful while reading the question whether he asked correct statements or wrong statements. Okay. Vaccine is which prevent the disease or virus, and medicine is which cure the disease caused by any infection. That's why everyone are taking COVID vaccines irrespective of whether they are infected or not. And COVID medicines like remdesivir, etc., are taken by those only who are infected by the virus. That is the basic difference between vaccine and medicine. Okay. And here, vaccine helps to fight with the disease and is used mostly to cure the disease. This statement is false. It helps to prevent the disease. Okay. Medicine, if consumed early, can prevent the disease. Generally, people don't consume medicine early unless and until, if it is really required. So this statement is also false. And the answer is, he asked which of the following are correct. Neither one nor two are correct, and the answer is D. Next, which of the following statements are not true regarding the National Family Health Survey? He has given three options and asking which of the following are not true. Okay, National Family Health Survey. This is taken from the today's newspaper, and the National Family Health Survey is released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, this is the 5th edition of the NFHS. And the significant, the major find out of this survey is the proportion of women is exceeded the men. Okay, the sex ratio in the India is increased. This is a major turnout in the Indian history. And the main purpose of this survey is with the help of this survey, what the government is trying to know. It is trying to know the fertility rate, infant rate, child mortality rate, and all these regarding the demographic data of the population of that country. The government is trying to know that. Okay, if you go to the question, NFHS is released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This statement is correct. The recent NFHS survey speaks that proportion of women is more than males. This is also correct. The major objective of the NFHS has been to strengthen India's demographic and health database. This is also correct. With the help of this database only, the government will be giving the welfare measures for the people. Okay, like Aarogyasri or Ayushman Bharat, all this. Here he asked which of the following are not true, as every statement is correct and none of the above is wrong. So the answer is D. Next question. Consider the following statements relating to ocean services modeling, application, resources, and technology. OSMART. He has given two statements and asking which of the following statements are true. This is taken from the PIB, and with regard to this scheme, it is an umbrella scheme. It covers most of the, or it is a holistic scheme for the ocean services modeling and application resources technology. Okay. If you see about this, it is launched in the year 2018 on August 29. Its main aim is promote the ocean research and set early warning weather systems. Okay. And also, it also addresses ocean development activities like technology, services, science, resources, observations. So these are the key findings of this scheme. And this is implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Okay, if we go to the question, OSMART is to promote ocean research and setting early warning weather systems, and also aims to address ocean development activities like technology, services, resources, and observations. The scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Okay. He has given two statements, and in this statement is correct, and it is also implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. So this is also correct. He asked which of the following statements are true. As both 1 and 2 are correct, the answer is A. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding the National Milk Day. Okay, National Milk Day. In the news, if today it is National Milk Day and tomorrow it is something, and some days after some days it may other, or like, yeah, okay, World Tourism Day. Should remember all these days. Not mostly necessary, but recently the UPSC is asking questions based on these days. Okay, he has given here two options and asking which of the following statements are not true. Okay. India National Milk Day, and India observes its National Milk Day on the 26th November to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Verghese Kurian, father of India's White Revolution. He is the father of India's White Revolution, or the who led the Operation Flood. It is related to increase the milk production, to increase the farmers' income, and also to increase or for to produce milk at the fair price for the consumers. Operation Flood or the White Revolution. As we know that India is the largest producer of the milk in the world, and all the credit goes to Verghese Kurian. Okay, but like ironically, India is not the largest exporter. Though India is the largest producer of the milk, it is not the largest exporter, because most of the milk produced in India is consumed in India itself. Okay, there is a huge demand for milk in India. That's why we are not able to export our milk to the foreign countries. Okay, if we come to the question, National Milk Day is observed on the 26th November, the establishment date of Amul Dairy. No, this statement is false. India is not the largest exporter of milk despite largest producer. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, and the answer, he asked which of the following statements are not true. So this is not true, and the answer is A, only one. Okay, and that's for today. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.